Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into strategies for reproducing success in international markets. This topic is critical for medical device manufacturers aiming to navigate global regulations and expand their footprint across borders. The key takeaway? Success isn't just achieved. It can be systematically reproduced. Here's what we'll cover today: the challenges medical device manufacturers face in global markets, a step-by-step guide to reproducing success, from initial documentation to product launch. Key performance indicators, KPIs, you should monitor to ensure consistent results. A take-home message that ties everything together. Let's start with the hurdles you face when entering international markets. Regulatory diversity. Regulations vary significantly. For example, the FDA focuses on safety and efficacy, while China's NMPA emphasizes local type testing and compliance. Technical documentation. Each market has unique requirements. A well-prepared technical file must align with local standards. Compliance costs and timelines. Non-compliance can lead to delays, extra costs, or even rejection. Understanding these challenges is the first step toward overcoming them. Now, let's move to actionable steps. Consolidate documentation. Maintain a centralized, harmonized repository for all technical files. Use IMDRF's table of contents as a standard to streamline global submissions. Build tailored regulatory pathways. Understand market-specific requirements and prioritize markets based on business goals. Create country-specific registration tactics while keeping global consistency. Engage cross-functional teams. Collaboration among R&D, regulatory affairs, and quality assurance teams ensures compliance is integrated into product design from the start. Let's talk about measuring success. Track these KPIs to refine your approach. Time to prepare dossiers. Shorten compilation time by automating repetitive tasks. Deficiency response time. Ensure faster, accurate responses to queries from regulators. Prioritized country rollout. Launch in high-revenue or strategically important countries first. Productivity metrics. Measure the number of registered devices per employee to evaluate efficiency. These metrics provide actionable insights to continuously improve your processes. As we wrap up, remember these key points. A strong foundation in technical documentation and market research is essential. Regularly monitor KPIs to optimize processes and ensure efficiency. Engage with global regulatory experts to navigate complexities smoothly. Reproducing success is a systematic process. It's not just about overcoming challenges, but mastering them. Thank you for joining me today. If you're ready to take the next step in your global strategy, let's connect. Whether it's regulatory consulting, training workshops, or technical documentation, we're here to help you succeed in international markets. If needed, feel free to book our workshop as Reproduce Regulatory Success, Controlling of Regulatory KPI and Intercultural Communication.